Hey fellow adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Best Cat 8 if you're new here. Today we're taking y'all on an exhilarating ride through the ancient wonders of the Koba ruins. Heads up, you might notice a few water spots on the camera lens.
Hola. Oh, put your boy.
So we hit the road and quickly found ourselves being pulled over and asked to exit our rental. Eventually, they do ask for cash, and to make matters worse, because he didn't speak English, quote unquote, you're gonna hear about 3 minutes of audio of him using his cell phone text for us to read while he communicates his corruption.
They want the registration card.
Is it you the contract?
Yeah.
Is
it not this?
Yes, it's pequeñita.
The card, the registration card.
What? I don't know what that is.
I don't know.
A registration card? They didn't give us anything.
Yeah, this is all they gave us.
That's it. Should we call?
Should we call them?
Huh?
Should we call them?
On the telephone?
Oh, there's no front plate?
No.
Oh. Back plate. Yeah, that's not a
That's on the back?
Oh, yeah, no.
Oh, no plate?
No plate.
We want to call? You want me to call?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how they gave it to me.
Is the checking the new car is no drones, no cabani, no problem?
No.
Okay.
No.
Only the back plate.
Yeah. We're going to get them.
Oh, no.
Okay. You're gonna register the car, you said, right now. So they're gonna check it.
Oh, okay.
Dale.
5, 2.
Is that on the back?
Yeah, it's on the back.
Oh.
8, 2.
Is the sticker okay? Is that registration on the window?
No, it's okay. It's the follow me on the chicken and the new car.
Okay.
Okay.
Then you may call it. Okay. Who's gonna get out? We're gonna get out.
Oh.
You want to turn it off?
Yeah. Nada más toma la foto ya.
Yeah, it's not letting me make phone call now. It's worth it for everybody. Yeah, go ahead.
Ahorita. Si quieres te acá viendo, te voy a tomar fotos, te revisa la chava. A ver si no trae algo.
¿Dónde vienen? ¿De dónde vienen? Where we live?
Oh, SoCal. Yeah, California.
Una gráfica, así como fue. Is the picture?
obviously took some time and some intellect to get them to release us. No ticket, no cash. Thanks to my husband and the universe, we already had a different set of plans than the cops did. It is what we say it is. Speaking of plans, before we kick off this literal breathtaking bike tour, make sure you hit that subscription button and ring the notification bell because you won't want to miss out on future videos. Y'all ready to cruise through history? We have a little bit of a drive, so come with us as we make our way to the Mayan ruins without getting pulled over again or lost.
Oh, I gotta turn right there. Right. See what I'm saying? You wanna turn down here?
Right here? No,
yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, I bought just like that car did.
Why would they want you to turn down here?
Cause it's like that. You see, you wanna turn right here. And the other one had a tree in the yard, in the road.
Shit.
What?
They blocking the road. Anyway.
If they got this way, should we follow them or turn?
No, you do.
No, we follow them.
Why? What happened? What was
That
that?
was a tree in the road. They going to Koba. Follow them.
Yeah, hold on.
Turn left, then turn right.
Be careful on the speed on the way back.
Yeah.
Or you get on that motorcycle. Right? You gotta be going to Koba.
Turn
I
left.
hope so.
Where are you taking them to?
I don't know they could live here.
Turn left, then turn right.
So that's probably it.
So heavy?
Wait till I get my money right. Then you can't tell me nothing. Cause you say something. You can't tell me nothing.
Doing what we did.
This can't be it, man. This don't feel right.
What?
Stop.
We turn. You sure?
Nicholson, look at where you're
I
at.
see the signs here. They tell me to walk this way.
This is not gonna work.
That's it. I need to go right there. Hola.
What bought us?
How do you get to the ruins?
The ruins
Mm-hmm.
on the straight,
Okay.
after to the left,
Mm-hmm.
or to the left,
All the way, keep to the right.
That's the one we were
Gracias,
at.
senor.
the left there.
The left. Gracias, senor.
Yeah.
Perfect. Got you.
That's-
Thank you. Dog, knocked out.
That's how they were in Egypt.
Monday, what they doing? They at work. Left, left, left. So,
We were at the right place.
they try. Everywhere. So they be scared. They don't want to get told and shit. I think economic.
Ooh, they so sensitive. Alright, man, holiday. They could be using credit card.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
They can use credit card for parking.
I would hope so, but everybody said get pesos.
We do have pesos.
But not enough.
Not enough. My baby told me don't get too much out yesterday.
And actually, I told you got more than you got.
Huh?
I told you to get more
No,
than
you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, I
think you
did.
got,
I
how much
said
you get?
500.
Oh, is that what you got?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. We didn't get enough. Oh, shit. That's a nice tree.
Oh, we'll just park on the street. Don't worry. We got this.
Well, that's the bike rental location, so we should be able to park there. If you the bike rental location.
Right.
It's a rent a bicycle, cold drink, ice cream, restaurant, tequila.
I want you. Grab your bike and go.
Take any bike.
Anybody.
Yes, pick your bike you like. We have different size.
Down that way. Run over the people. Yep.
So if you can find your way to the ruins, they're open from 8 to 4:30 with the last entry being at 3. And remember to bring pesos for this tour. We didn't need as many because this is our last day here in Mexico. But you can walk, bike, or bike taxi. Parking, the entry, the bike rentals, they were pretty inexpensive, but they only accept pesos.
BB, oh, now look at you. Now you're frolicking. Do we have to get nice? Beep, 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 beep. Thank you.
Cruising through the heart of the Yucatan Peninsula feels like you've traveled back in time over thousands of years when the mighty Mayans roamed these lands.
You want the camera? You want to switch? Can you handle all this? You can handle all that. You amaze me every day. I'm coming to you. Doom, doom, doom. You're making a switch. Oh yeah, you did track too, right? I forgot. You did the relay.
I told you where I was from. I keep trying to tell people. My baby keeps saying I'm from Bellflower, but that was only during the week. On the weekends, when it really counted, I was in Compton. That's where the party was. During the weekday, I had to go get my education because my mom demanded it. She demanded my education, but I could party on the weekends. Yeah, there was no other place to be, like my grandmother's house in Compton. But today we're exploring the great ancient Mayan civilization while enjoying an adrenaline-pumping bike ride. Tap the like button if you're ready to check out the pyramids.
How you like being dragged?
All over the country. Standing tall amidst the jungle, they're a testament to the ingenuity and the skill of the Mayan people. But we're not here just to admire the view. We're here to experience it firsthand, right? Today is leg day. We gotta climb if we want to see those views.
I'm trying to find a way to go.
Recording. Okay, go ahead. Do you.
It's my first time actually walking on a baby.
I know.
Right?
Oh, well, I did do it in Egypt.
I did.
You sound like Dorothy or He's right there, next to the guy in the red sweater. But it's a perfect day to explore, and the scenery is breathtaking. It's moments like these that makes the journey worth it. Every step we take is like a journey back in time, exploring sacred spots dedicated to gods like Kukulkan, the feathered serpent, who is the creator god of rain, wind, and life. And Quatl, the flower goddess, also came from this lush green paradise. The flower goddess was the wife of Talok, the rain god, but she was abducted for her beauty by the god of the night sky. He enthroned her as the goddess of love. Hey, I think now would be a great time to tap on the heart and share some love.
Hombre, pero si no nos habéis hecho la... Que sí, que las he hecho yo, joder. Venga, pues fíjate, si más
Give me a chance to grab it.
Es que tenéis que haber pedido plátano.
Hoy no hemos traído plátano.
Claro.
El único día.
No lo he pillado.
Sí, hombre, y que baje a por el plátano. Calla,
Venga, déjalo, si ya lo hemos visto, chicos.
Un momento.
Eso está bien, que haga lo que da igual, me recuerdan ahí.
Ahora aquí no hay, ¿verdad?
Sí hay,
Ahí también hay aquí.
aguas, claro.
Ay.
We're coming up to the Great Mound. This is the Nahot Mall Pyramid. It's about 138 steps to the top. It's the tallest Mayan pyramid on the Yucatan Peninsula and the second tallest Mayan pyramid in the world.
Hij heeft de schaduw staan. Maar dit is het belangrijkste.
Let's shift gears a second. Y'all like how I did that? And talk about how the Mayan people were all about their connection to Mother Earth. And there's so many mysteries surrounding ancient gods and how they connect with mere mortals. We've traveled to this tropical island a few times, and you'll see it's a whole vibe that will keep you coming back for more.
Ball court. I don't know if Koba has a ball court.
Es correcto.
Oh, there's the ball court.
If you've ever been to the Underworld and made it out alive, tap the like button. We've entered the heart of Koba, the ancient ball courts, stretching over 130 meters. It's one of the biggest ones ever found. Did you know that these pyramids weren't just for show? The Mayans used to play the sacred ball game called poke-to-poke in honor of their gods and ancestors. They had a few players on each team. They could hit the balls with their body, but they couldn't hit it with their hands or their head, and it couldn't touch the ground. From what I understand, the losers were sometimes sacrificed. I don't know about y'all, but I wouldn't want to be on the losing team. But legend has it that poke-to-poke was all about the cosmic struggle between light and dark. These massive structures were more than just a place to play games. They were also a symbol of the Mayans' deep spiritual connection to the cosmos. Perhaps the most enchanting aspect of Koba is its sense of timelessness. I think the ruins stand as a silent witness to centuries of history, inviting you to pause, reflect, and connect with the ancient rhythms of the earth.
Delicious. Like a bowl of blueberries.
Let's go. Say bye-bye to Mexico.
You gotta get them bikes.
Ready? It looks like it's time for us to hop back on our bikes and pedal our way up out of this majestic jungle. I think the Koba ruins are a testament to the enduring legacy of the Mayan civilization. We got a glimpse into a world that once thrived in harmony with nature, and there's still so many stories waiting for us to uncover. But we're in the rainforest, and like clockwork, the weather can go from sunny and hot to a tropical downpour. This happened to us several times on our trips, so we decided that is our cue when it's time to head home. So show your girl some love, tap the heart button, and share the video with your fellow explorers.
It's raining.
It's time for another takeoff. I hope you had as much fun with us exploring Koba as we did, even with the extortion attempt. And listen, everything is not for everybody, but I hope you are out there making your own unforgettable adventures. It's all in a state of mind. It is what you say it is. And listen, whether you already know this or you're wanting to represent the confidence of knowing it is what you say it is, head over to InfinitelyClear.com and grab you some merch. And if you want to connect with me, head over to the website and schedule a date.
We have now started Alpha on descent. At this time, please remain seated for the rest of the flight. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened, tray table is stowed, and all current items are put away. Laptops and devices are similar size to the item in front of you. When we come into the cabin one final time, click anything to discard. Please hand it to us as we press the cabin. As a reminder, we are going into the U.S., so those U.S. agricultural laws need to be followed. So if you have any fruits or vegetables and produce, we need to take those photos from you, so please pass it to us as you come to the cabin. Double check your seat back pockets for your passports and important travel documents. Once you get off this aircraft, you will not be permitted to step back on. We'll be landing shortly.
If you like this video, I have a feeling you're gonna like these too. So go check them out, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.